items. So today I have to make many videos, but today I'm only going to make 2 items, okay? So first I'm going to make a cute little pencil case. So to make a cute little pencil case, you will need foam paper and black glitter paper and pencil and scale. So you will need to cut this one. You will need to cut this 30 centimeter, and this one you will need to cut 20 centimeter. Okay. So and then you will need to take this and kind of draw a pattern, not a pattern, like this. I will show you when I finish drawing it, okay? You have to draw it like this, and then you need to cut it also. We cut it out the shape. And now let's put that over here and work with this. So you'll take the smaller one and draw some little legs on it. I will show you when I finish drawing it. There we go. You need to draw the shape like this, okay? That's 2 little cute legs. To take this and this, we need to put them together and cut it out. Okay? Now I need to cut it. There we go. We cut it out these. Now let's put this over a side. We'll get to that later, okay? And now let's take black glitter paper. And then we need to cut hands, ears, legs. Legs is for this, these legs, and the hands and ears are for this. Now let's cut them all out. We cutted everything out, see? Cutted everything out. Now let's take the leg first. There we go. Let's peel it. These glitter papers are real sticky. There we go. Now the other one. Are you looking? Do you like it? Now let's attach the eyes, okay? If you have a whitener, you can just draw a dot, but if you don't have a whitener, you can just take white foam paper and attach it. I'm going to use whitener because I don't want to waste paper. There we go. There we go. Now let's attach the nose. There we go. Now let's attach the eyes. There we go. Now let's attach the mouth. There we go. Now let's attach the nose. 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 There we go. Now let a little bit. And these are my new markers. Let's take this black one and tear off. It's so cute. Aww. And now we should use hot glue and attach it like this. But you only need to put here only glue. Okay? But don't touch hot glue by yourself, friends. It's dangerous. So I am going to ask an adult to do it. There we go. Yay! It's done. Here is where we put the pencils. Like this. Isn't that right, Daisy? Like this. You can't put many than one. You can put many. And then you need to fold it and cut. Just cut it a little bit like this. Okay? Really a little bit though. Little. Really little. There we go. Now we need to attach this cute little creature. Again, don't use hot glue. There we go. Now let's attach. Now let's take a pink marker and do dots over here. And let's just spread it with our hands because I don't have butts or anything. It's so cute now. Now our homemade pencil case is done. It's so cute. Do you know what it is? It's a panda. Hi. Daisy, do you like it? Yes, I do. Looks like Daisy likes it too. Do you friends like it? Write in the comments. This is a super easy thing to do too. This is super easy. I just did it slow because you guys can join along. Now let me put 2 of my markers in. One goes right in and the other one. Yay! Now let me close it. It holds all of my pencil. It's so cute though. Do you like my creation, friends? If you do, write in the comments. And I have another school supplies to show you. It's like a pencil top, but it's huge. So let's get right into it. Let the panda see what we are making next. He wants to see too. So next we are going to make a pencil top. Interesting, right? We need a black paper like this one. Black glitter paper, and take any pencil. So I'm going to take this one and roll it like so, like this, and let's glue the excess piece. There we go, it's glued. Now let's take this paper and roll it like so. With this. Woo, my hands are glittery. And now let's glue the excess part. I'm scared. Now let's make the ears. I'm excited for that. I don't know why. We need to do the same that we did to the face, but it should be smaller because it's an ear, right? Out of the ear and face and this thing is done. Now let's put them all apart. First, let's take this and put it over there. Hot glue coming in. There we go. Let's set it for a little bit. Let's dip set. Let's do the other one. It's ready on little Mickey Mouse. And now we need to attach it like this, I think. Yep. We need to do that. Let's let it dry for a bit. It's dried. Now let's do a bow to put it. There we go. Now let's draw a butterfly. More like a butterfly. The bow is more like a butterfly. You need to draw a butterfly, but it's actually like a bow. Now let's cut it out. Now we cut it out a cute little bow. It more looks like a butterfly, but it's a bow. It's a bow. Let's put this over here. This is the last step. After this, it's done. It's all complete. It's so nice. Now let's take back the highlighter that we used for this one, also for its size. Now let's put dots on its bow. How many you want? Put many. There we go. Hey! Now let's put it on a fitting pencil. It's so cute. Now you can write it like this. Which book could I draw it? If you're stressed on an exam or something, you can just look at this. Do you like it, friends? Because I like it a lot. Daisy, do you like it? I made a new friend for my Daisy. Do you like it? Yes, I do. Looks like Daisy likes it too. Do you like it, Panda? Yes, I do. The Panda likes it too. Oh, everyone likes this. Me and Daisy will see you in the next video. Bye. If you like and enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye friends.